Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to download your Canva designs. Now let's begin. First of all, open your Canva project. Then on the top right on the menu bar, you will see something called Share. Simply click on it. Scroll down and you will see Download. Click on it and you can select the file type best suiting your needs. There's GIF, MP4 video, PDF print, PDF standard and many others. For now, I'm selecting PNG. If you have Canva Pro, you can also change the size. You can also make the background transparent and you can also compress the file. You also have the option to save download settings. If you are satisfied with everything, simply click on Download. Your file is downloading and it is downloaded. Well guys, this is how you download your Canva files. If you liked this video, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.